now coming out of the Whitgift Centre, and along we go to Primark, and along to the lifts there, which are some Gen 2s.
Going down. Doors closing. Second floor. Doors opening.
And now go along into Central Shopping Centre. Now this has got nothing to do with Westfields, but since I'm in Croydon, let's go film the rest of the lifts here. And along we go to the first lift, which is the lift in Debenhams.
First floor. Second floor. Doors opening.
And now go along to the glass lift at Debenhams, which is an old Hampden Champness lift. Yes! But it's had its buttons replaced. No! Really annoying. Why'd I have to go and modernise this awesome lift? But at least this lift has glass doors, so we can take a closer look at the U-key mechanism.
Second floor. Ground floor.
Now along I go into Sports Direct. This used to be TK Maxx, and this shop used to have a really nice old Titan range lift, which is a really rare brand of lift, but this lift is now gone. And now I go along back into the main part of the shopping centre and along to a little lift round the side.
Going down. Please mind the door. Doors closing. Going up. Second floor. Doors opening. Please mind the door. Doors closing. This lift is under service control. Going down. This lift is under service control. Lower ground floor. Doors opening.